increase your profits, reduce the amount of time you're in a trade by knowing exactly when to enter. When we post charts, we tell you when to enter now. We don't say buy the breakout, buy the retest. We tell you when the trade is actually ready, with additional information that could help your thought process on entering. We have white circles for entries, we have the market cap, we have the different categories it's in addition to your stop losses and your targets. In addition to that, we don't post 15, 25 charts a day. We post on average 1 to 3 charts per day, depending on the market, with additional information to help you make an informed decision to help increase your profits. And not only that, but when we see the market coming down, or if we see that a coin has pumped and almost hit our target, we update the chart saying sell it now. Take your profit, close the trade. So on this one, our first target hit and our second target barely missed it by less than 1%. And we said close the trade, sell it now, get your 35%. One thing that also helps the group become very successful is these updated posts saying move up your stop loss. So in all the active trades, we move up our stop loss so that we put it in profit. That's the goal anyway. So if the price does come down, we get stopped out in profit. Now we did see that the market started changing and we posted close all trades. We posted this in 2 actual areas. One is the setups group, and here's the post from the VIP chat with just more information, and both of these were pinned so it notified all the members. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. Here we can see Bitcoin was in this rising channel and it started losing its momentum and continued to come down, and I said close all trades. This was right around 1 in the morning. My alerts were going off like crazy. And I mentioned here, not liking what I'm seeing. Bitcoin may lose this trend line, forcing most alts to dump minimum 10 to 15%. And sure enough, here's the Bitcoin chart. Here's our trend line. It did break the trend line, come back up to get a bearish retest, continued coming down, creating a lower low, then liquidating a lot of people who were in shorts, coming all the way up, broke above our trend line, then automatically just came down. Now, if Bitcoin does lose 65.8, our next major support is right back at 64. Now, of course, throughout the entire chart, there's nothing but support resistance levels. So here's another level at 65. But if it loses this 65, more than likely it's coming down to the 64 area. Now, this video is going to be pretty much what I do for the group, where I do a thought process on Bitcoin along with the active trades that we're in. So here we can see we posted this in the morning on the 19th. Then we did have a question in reference to buying certain tokens on different exchanges or platforms. So whenever we have a question, I love doing videos for it, because for me personally, I learn better with videos. I made another video showing you how to trade without using any money. Then the following day, we did a video on Bitcoin along with the active trades. The following day after that, another thought process video with Bitcoin and the active trades. And then here is a longer video, very well thought out video that answers a whole bunch of questions in reference to why the market makers win. Here I show new indicators that we're using, and these are both free indicators. I show you how to use them. I show you the settings. I show you the purpose of the indicators. And then we actually do back testing on the indicators as well. Now, all these videos cannot be found on YouTube on my channel. All this is strictly for the VIP members. Here we have another thought process video on Bitcoin and the active trades in the morning at 6:17 in the morning. And then because the way the market was moving, we did another one 12 hours later. And some of the members have been asking in reference to how to trade leverage. So I went ahead and did a video on this. This video was edited so that instead of the members watching an hour video or longer, because I understand your time is very important. So I spent 2 hours editing this down to just under 30 minutes to include timestamps so that you can go to a particular timestamp and it'll take you right to that section of the video. My goal for the VIP group is to have everybody become a trading warrior. I do not want sheep. All of the other mentors out there, they want sheep. They want you to follow them. They want you to be dependent on them. I don't. I want you to tell me, Joe, look at Bitcoin. It's doing X, Y, and Z. Joe, look at these charts. It's doing X, Y, and Z. And then we all make money, or we all save money. And in this video, I'm going to show you what we actually did with those updates. So I posted here saying close the trades, close everything, because I'm not liking how it's looking. And so sure enough, this is what Bitcoin did. Here is Ray. This is where we close out our trade right around 35%. Now the price did come all the way up here just underneath our target, but I said close it right now. Let's just take our profit. And because we did, even though we moved up our stop loss to the positive, here's where we entered, we did not write all this down and get stopped out here. We got really nice profits on this trade. Our next open trade was right here, and this was, we posted, close the trade right at this level, and the price was right here. And sure enough, it's coming down a little bit more, and more than likely it's going to break this level and continue down. But again, we had to wait and get more data, more candles that print, in order for us to decide if we're going to re-enter the trade or possibly enter a short. Here's our next trade. We posted it right here, close your trade. And this was also posted in the group where I said close the trade, and it took me a while to put all these together, but I did say close all your trades. These were all the active trades for the past maybe 7-10 days. We don't post 15-25 charts a day or nothing like that like all these other groups. I really do care about your money. I treat your money as if it was my money. So these were the only trades that we were in for the past week, and we kept on moving up our stop loss. And then of course here are all the charts, so you can look at them a little bit larger, and plus you can also click on these to expand the picture. So this one has come down about 7% from the time of us notifying everybody to close the trade. This one as well, we said close the trade. This one has come down an additional 3% so far. Here's another one where we close the trade and it's coming down. Now all these trades, even though we closed them, we do have alerts to re-enter once it breaks its previous high or its recent pivot. Here's another trade where it did come down. We would have been stopped out, even though this is a slight difference in price, because we did have our stop loss right here. We still saved money by closing our trade with the notification given in the group. Here's another one. We're about to lose. If we did not update our chart, we would have lost about 20%, more than likely in the next hour or two if it continues coming down. But instead of losing 20%, we actually saved you an additional 12% by closing the trade right now at that moment of the post. Once again, my goal is to make you money, guys, and also save you money with these updates. These updates are extremely important. If you've been thinking about joining a group, in my opinion, and I am biased, this is the absolute best group to join, because not only do we tell you when to enter and how to enter, but we also update the charts, moving up your stop loss so that you're in profit, telling you to close all your trades if the market starts turning, giving you video thought process on your active trades to include Bitcoin, answering the majority of your questions with the video so you can see exactly what I'm referring to. If you don't have money for the VIP, don't worry, I still got you. I'm not like all these other mentors that say, oh, well, I can't help you or I can't answer that question unless you join my VIP. No, I'll take care of you. Join me every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ask your questions, because that is your 1 hour of free mentorship. If you have a question on a chart, let me know, and we will go over this. This one we did not post. We were actually waiting for it to see if it was going to bounce before we entered. Unlike all the other groups that will say, buy the breakout, buy the retest, it retested. They don't care about you guys. There have been so many charts that have been forwarded to me from other groups, and I can tell right away these charts are not ready. I show you how to do this on the daily live streams at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then of course, especially in the VIP. I encourage questions. I love making thought process videos. Once again, my main goal is to create trading warriors and not have sheep. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. If you're in the VIP, or if maybe you're considering joining the VIP, let me know in the comments. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, Well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.